open it up?
Sure. Do you know what this says right here?
Yes.
It says biggest transformer ever.
Wow, can I open it up right now?
You bet. Hold on.
It's not what I need. I don't need it.
Okay, do you want to put her new pajamas back on? Want to go get her pajamas?
Yay!
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Mommy and Daddy got this for you.
Wow.
It's your big Christmas gift, okay?
Do you like it up?
Kylie, do you love it? Oh,
The baby's asleep.
Oh, sorry. Oh, be quiet. Okay. Okay. You mind holding this real quick? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Okay, go take care of it.
Wow, can you open it up?
It's probably going to take a minute.
What's inside of it?
No, I don't think anything's
I
inside
got.
Okay. Should I pause this? Watch your fingers, buddy.
Hands, honey.